pretty cold, isn't it, today?
Some of us had their raincoats out, and I think if anyone was skimming stones like me today, it probably goes straight in the water. And some heavy rain, in fact, which slowly through the afternoon will start to ease. All part of a weather system that is working in, but further into the afternoon, the rain easing across the southern parts of the British Isles. It's this lump of cloud you can see here. And notice how the main meat of the cloud, the heavier, the darker bits of cloud, are working towards the continent. That's where the main energy of the weather system is. We're just really having the leftover drips and drabs that are still going to be sitting with us. Still could give some heavier downpours over the southern parts of Britain, but easing away somewhat, say, from southwest parts of England, maybe even the odd brighter spot parts of Cornwall. But then come east, and you can see the blue, the wet weather, still with us all the way down to the southeastern parts of England. And for the next couple of hours, there could even be still one or two heavier bursts here and there. Coming further north, you can see the edge of the cloud, the leftovers of our weather system, and then coming to northern England, brighter skies after some early morning mist, and Scotland. It's not a bad looking afternoon for you. 15, 16, the central lowlands doing well as we finish the afternoon. A bit more cloud to western Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some cloud here, but it is dry compared to, say, further south. As we come back closer to our weather system, much of Wales, it is a wet afternoon here. 15 for Cardiff as we go through the afternoon. And all this cloud, tied in with our weather system, the main lump of it is working towards the continent, but it's all this leftover cloud and just moist air. The rain eases away. Notice how the blue just sort of thins out, becomes spots of light rain and some drizzle through the night. Further north, clearer skies, temperatures go boom, straight down, 6 or 7, a chilly night here, and then further south, 13 or 14 for southern parts of Britain. Not as chilly, but we still have that cloud in the morning. You head to the outside, say in Kent to London, cloudy, not as wet, but there could be still 1 or 2 spots of rain tomorrow morning, 14 for London. Come further north to the Midlands, you're on the edge of the cloud. Maybe a foggy start with the Vale of York. Notice the area of white there, and also perhaps parts of Scotland, the central lowlands, some mist and fog. But otherwise, it's dry and bright over most of Scotland. And for Northern Ireland, a bit more cloud here for the morning. There could be 1 or 2 spots of rain. 9, the starting number for Belfast and other parts of Wales. We still have a fair bit of cloud and 1 or 2 spots of rain as we start off. 13, our number for Cardiff. And over southwest parts of England, a cloudy start too, with some spots of rain, and a mild 14 for Plymouth. As you go through the day, the area of cloud that is really just the leftovers of that weather system that is coming for the afternoon just sits there, and notice the spots of rain easing away, cloudy, whereas further north, after you lose the mist and fog, doing well, brighter skies for northeastern parts of Britain, and here temperatures 14, 15, 16, a bit milder further south, 18, lump of wet weather to the north. That comes in the next couple of days.